Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fees. Other than for sending money orders, which is a free payment option, you agree to pay JPay a fee for using the JPay service, at the rate in effect at the time you make a payment, the service fee. All service fees are non-refundable prior to the crediting of your payment to the inmate's account.
Take our lead.
JPay does not have access to an inmate's account balance or transaction activity. Will the inmate know who sent him/her the funds? In most states, the inmate is notified as to who sent the money. Yes, by sending money using cash you will be provided with a receipt of your transaction.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Within 48 hours. Usually, any money you send will get to the inmate within 48 hours. To view the disbursement schedule at your inmate and RSQUO's facility, visit jpay.com and click on Availability and Pricing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Like regular postage stamps, every email you send requires a JPay stamp. The longer the email, the more stamps you will need to successfully send it. Attachments, photos and videograms also require additional stamps. The cost of stamps varies according to the facility. Some facilities offer stamp subscriptions.
Take our lead.
How would an inmate know if I put money by in his account? Inmates get a receipt when money is deposited into their accounts. Depending on the method you use to deposit RHE funds, they can get it anywhere from 24 hours to 3 weeks.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
JPay began in 2002 as a prison money wiring service, offering a quicker alternative for families who wanted to mail a money order to incarcerated loved ones. The expediency came with a price. The fees for each transaction could be as high as $11.95.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.